So, in today's lesson, we're going to look at chest figure of eights as part of the figure of eight series, okay? And so we're going to learn how to do these. So please warm up first and come back and see me. There's lots of different types of figure of eights you can do in belly dance, there's loads. This is just like one of them. So check out, it's got loads of videos on YouTube to choose from. Warm up first, then come back, and we'll go on with the figure of eight. So, assuming you are warm, let's go. So you're going to imagine your chest or your nipple even is going to come down on the inside of your hip bone. So my hip bone's here. I want to imagine it's going to come down here. So when we drop my right chest, that would be your left, and then on the other side, straight down. So straight down, straight down, straight down, straight down. Drop the chest, drop the chest, drop the chest. Okay, be careful that you're not going over, because you're going to have nowhere to go on the next section if you do that. So come a little bit closer, just so you can focus on the chest. So, down, 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 down. Keeping my neck long. I'm not letting my head do this. Okay, so keep your head long as you do the chest isolation, or your neck long even. Okay, so it's down, 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 down. We're going to add on a bit. We're going to go down, and then I'm going to do a ribcage slide, so shift it, and you stay actually, all the weight is now on this side, and I'm going to lift the chest up. So now this should be like a diagonal line, and I'm going to go drop down on this side, and then I'm going to slide pull the tummy in, make sure you're not twisting, and then lift. Keep the shoulders down, and then down, slide, lift. Boom, let's go. Down, slide, lift. One more like that. Down, slide, lift. Now I'm going to smooth it out a little bit. So, down, out, down, 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 out, up, down, out, up. Okay, try to keep the shoulders down and try to cascade. So the figure of eight is here between my hands. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so our test now is to put the arms out. We don't want the arms to do aeroplane. We want the arms to stay still, floating, as you do the chest figure of eight. And there's always length. You don't want to slouch, okay? Please don't slouch. Chest lifted, shoulders down, long neck, breathe, and 1, down, out, up, down, out. And always look for a long neck. In Trouble from a Trap, which is my style, Trouble Fusion, we call this cobra neck. So the neck is really long the whole time, and no matter what happens, we never lose it. We always want to keep it really long and free. So 1, and in case you're not aware, this figure of eight chest is also part of what you do in a sidewinder. So when you do all of this sort of stuff, it's kind of an element you use in your sidewinder, okay? And there are many styles of sidewinders as well, many ways to execute it. But that's another conversation. So, chest, 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 chest. So it's figure of eight. You're very grounded. You want all the weight to be going down through the feet into the floor and also up toward the sky. So being grounded is a concept that we talk a lot about in my school, in my classes. We talk about how to be grounded and what it really means to be grounded and how to execute it. But you have to come to class to find out. Anyway, try to be grounded. And we're going to do the chest. Come through. So if you are interested in my classes, I'm in London, in central London, so you can come and take my classes with me in person. Otherwise, if you can't get to me for whatever reasons, you can take the classes online instead from anywhere in the world. You can do it in your pajamas if you wish. The classes are filmed, so you can do any level, and you can go through weeks 1 to 12 with us as if you're in class in person, so you actually learn and progress from week to week with us, and then through the levels as well. So chest, 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 chest. Yes. Okay, so that's your chest figure of 8. Part of the figure of 8 series that I'm sharing with you guys, so I hope you like it. Please put comments below, thumbs up, that sort of stuff, any questions. Also, you can write them and I will try my best to reply to you. Thank you very, very much. And I'll see you around for more fun. Bye-bye.